In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display external images on Gmail. Sometimes when composing an email, you might want to make it more engaging by adding images directly into the body of your message. This can be particularly useful if you're sharing photos with friends or including visual elements in a business email. To start off, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account and ready to compose an email. First, head over to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Compose. Click on this button to open up a new message window. This is where you'll start preparing your email. Once the new message window is open, focus your attention on the toolbar at the bottom. You'll notice several icons here, and the one that should grab your attention is the Insert Photo icon. Give it a click and you'll see a small menu pop up, which provides you with options for adding images to your email. Next, select the Upload option. By choosing this, you're opting to add an image from your device. Now this part is pretty straightforward. You'll want to click on the button that says Browse. This action will prompt your computer's file explorer to open, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Take your time to locate the specific photo you wish to include in your email. Once you've found the desired image, click on it to highlight it, then simply press Open to upload the image into your email. After you select the photo, it will automatically be inserted into the body of your email. You might want to take a moment to adjust the image's placement within your message for optimal presentation. Gmail offers some basic tools for resizing or repositioning your image to better fit your email's layout. This step can be particularly important if you're using the image to support written content, as you'll want to ensure that everything aligns neatly to make your message both visually appealing and easy to read. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added an external image to your Gmail message. This technique not only enhances the aesthetics of your email, but also helps convey your message more effectively, especially when visuals are key. As you get more comfortable with this process, you can start experimenting with different types of media to see what best suits your communication style. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial, and I hope you feel more confident in enriching your emails with images. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your digital communication.